In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to actually reduce your transaction, trading, and withdrawal fees on Binance in 2025. These are proven strategies that will enable you to save money reliably. Let's dive right in and look at how you can make those savings happen. First up, let's talk about enabling the option to use BNB to pay fees. If you're accessing Binance through the web, head over to your profile or dashboard and into the Account Center. There, you should find a section labeled either Fees and Discounts or Trading Fee Level. Look for the option that says Use BNB Deduction, Pay with BNB, or simply BNB Discount, and make sure to toggle it on. If you're using the mobile app, the process is quite similar. Navigate to your account, go to Settings or Profile, and you'll find a toggle marked BNB Discount or Use BNB to pay fees. It's essential to ensure you have enough BNB in your spot wallet, since the fees will be deducted that way. If you don't have enough BNB, you'll end up paying the full fee without any discount. Moving on to placing orders, a great way to save on fees is by using limit or maker orders whenever possible. Unlike market orders, which generally count as taker orders, placing a limit order will let you sit on the order book, often qualifying you as a maker. Just double-check the pairs you're interested in and set a limit price above or below the market depending on your desired direction. This way, your order might fill gradually, but you'll enjoy lower fees in the process. Another tip to consider is boosting your trading volume and holdings. If you plan to trade frequently, try consolidating your transactions to meet higher 30-day rolling volume thresholds. Achieving higher VIP levels by increasing your trading volume can lead to significantly lower fees. Additionally, holding more BNB might also contribute to achieving a lower VIP level. When it comes to withdrawals, choosing cost-efficient networks can make a big difference. Before finalizing any withdrawal, always compare the fees that Binance displays. If you have multiple network options for withdrawal, choose the more economical one, provided it's safe and compatible with your destination wallet. For instance, withdrawing USDT using TRC20 or BEP20 is often cheaper than ERC20, depending on network demand and gas fees. Don't overlook the potential of referral, discount, or kickback codes. When signing up, if there's an ongoing Binance promotion or referral opportunity, you might benefit from a permanent or temporary discount on fees. Just be cautious. Ensure that any referral links are legitimate and official. Lastly, regularly check the Binance fee structure, as fee rates and discounts can change. It's worth periodically visiting the Fees and Discounts page in your account and keeping an eye on Binance announcements for any changes. Keep an eye out for special promotions, as Binance sometimes offers reduced fees for specific trading pairs or fee rebate events. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to cutting down on your transaction costs, ensuring you make the most out of your trading activities.